Finally, the video we've been waiting for. So my wife just got back off of a 2,000-mile little solo trip. She drove from Central Illinois all the way out to Myrtle Beach and back. She said I didn't wash it, and I was like, all right, cool. I'll be able to do it myself now. But no, yeah, the window's splattered with everything's splattered with bugs, at least on the front. Now, the reason this video is going to be fun is because this is the video. It's going to be hard to see, but this car is filthy. This is more than just dust, too. There's grime on this one. That's 2,000-mile drive that she just did. It's mainly dust, though, which is thank goodness. A couple little things on here. But this is the Cerakote. This has been Okay, just dust. Woo! That was a scratch. This has been Cerakoted from here back. Because the front has PPF. I didn't bother putting it on there yet. Maybe not. Nor the top. This is just glass on the top, and it doesn't have that. So this is going to be how the water reacts if the Cerakote after, plus it's this 2,000 miles. It's also got my miles that we drove to Chicago a couple weekends ago and got some pizza. Yes, we drove 400 miles to get pizza. So it's about 2,500 miles. Haven't washed it at all. I've been waiting for this moment because of this trip that she just took. This is a test of the Cerakote to see how well the Cerakote still does. Since everybody keeps having issues with it after a month, it's been a month and a half, and now has about 2,400 miles on it, if not more, of driving. I'll say 25 to round up. We'll see. We'll see if it's people's installations or I got a lucky batch. All right, so first things first is we're going to see how well this does pre-wash. Again, Cerakote Professional Ceramic. I don't remember the name of it. I'll have it somewhere. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do first. Now, the second thing is, this is an older cheapie Matte CC Amazon special foamer, but I have some new Frostbite from P&S at 100 mils of Frostbite, and then up to 1,000, the rest up to 1,000 mils of just water. In the bucket here, I have Radiance, and the amount that you have to use for kind of both of these, that's supposed to be 10-to-1. Granted, it's my fault, but man, Radiance is 6 ounces per gallon. I got 2 gallons in there, but I also got a grit guard, so about a gallon. If I have to, I'll take that grit guard out, but that's 12 ounces of Radiance. I bought a gallon because I knew that that's what it was supposed to be, so I bought a gallon. So that's about 10 washes of that and 32 ounces of the other one, so that's 10 washes of that. This is going to be like my wash. Frostbite, pre-wash, and then Radiance hand wash. So let's see. Let's see how it works as far as the water behavior goes. And literally as you would expect, the top half is great. That bottom half needs some work. See if we can rinse any of it out. All right, well, that's kind of what you expect. It's 2,500 miles, and that's what it's going to do. All right, well, let me get the rest of the car rinsed off, and then I'm going to put some Frostbite on. 100 mils of P&S Frostbite, 900 mils of water in my cheapo foamer. Let's see how she does. Let me make an adjustment. There we go. All right, I just saw it wasn't too bad. Let's make that slight little adjustment. Their directions, though, say to foam it on, let it sit, then go to your bucket and go. Maybe. I'll probably let it sit for 3, 4, 5 minutes. It's almost like it's yellow. Oh, and the scent is, I don't know, the scent to me just smells like cologne. Don't know how better to describe it. But I put bug remover on the front. and dedicated bug remover, some Griot's Garage bug remover. I have P&S bug off. I'm just trying to go through my Griot stuff first. But Griot's Garage bug remover, and then I oversprayed that with some 10-to-1 power clean, just to give it a little extra oomph. We'll see how they come off. I'll probably spray the front before I I know I'm going to spray the front before I put a mitt to it. I don't need all them bugs in my water. All right, well, let's see what it does. I'm going to probably rinse this off and then go from there. I don't feel nice or right leaving this stuff on there, so I'm gonna spray it off, and then I'm gonna go over to the Radiance. So I'll get this sprayed off and get the Radiance. I'm gonna do literally everything. No need to watch me wash a car. That's boring. So I'll kind of show you how it looks, and we'll see the what. Well, all right. Well, let me see. When I rinse this off, we'll see if Frostbite made the water behavior on this side any better. Then when I rinse it with, when I wash it with some Radiance and I rinse it, we'll see if it all comes back. Not touched the front yet. We're gonna see just Griot's Garage bug remover, some 10-to-1 power clean, and some Frostbite. See if I can just spray them off. Nope. Yeah, let's see what it does. Just Frostbite alone. All right, nothing. So rather than waiting for the whole car, I'm just going to go ahead and do this one door. Look at how purple the water is. That's what 12 ounces of water and 12 ounces of soap and 2 gallons of water looks like. I'm not going to waste this at all. I'm going to, like, every drop. All right, let's wash with some Radiance and see what happens. Hard to do with just myself. There was a flip in there, by the way. All right. Let's see. I'm going to say it's a little bit more rinsing and all right, came back. I'm going to say that it was not, it's not all Radiance on there making it bead. So I guess right now, a month and a half, 2,500 miles of road grind through rain and everything. It's still holding on. So I just want to give this Radiance a shot on my car too. So, but there we go. Cerakote still lasting till the next wash.